Coming up next, we'll dive into a live demo of Qualtrics integrated with the powerful ChatGPT. You'll see how responses are generated in real time by ChatGPT in the backend and seamlessly displayed on the next screen. Stay tuned, this is going to be exciting. Let's dive into an example. Here we're asking respondents to share their major challenge they're currently facing. For this demo, we've pre-filled the text box with a sample input to show you how it works. On this screen, the Next button is hidden while we fetch and store the ChatGPT response in Qualtrics. Respondents can answer the question while a loader with a wait instruction is displayed. Once the response is ready, the Next button will appear, allowing us to proceed. Check out this screen where we're showcasing the output from GPT, and the respondent is asked to rate it. Just like this example, there are countless ways we can use ChatGPT on the fly to personalize and elevate the survey experience. Stay tuned, there's so much more to come.